Struggling to fall asleep? I get it, those restless nights where your mind just won't turn off. But you're not alone. Millions of people toss and turn at night searching for that elusive good night's sleep. What if I told you science could help? Let's dive into 5 proven sleep hacks to help you drift off faster. Stick around till the end. I've got a bonus tip you won't want to miss. First up, the 4-7-8 breathing method. Developed by Dr. Andrew Weil, this simple trick can seriously calm your mind and slow down your heart rate. Here's how it works. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. Exhale through your mouth for 8 seconds. Repeat 4 times. It's easy, and you can try it tonight. Next, lower your body temperature. Science says your body needs to cool down to really fall asleep. A study in Sleep Medicine Reviews found that keeping your room around 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 Celsius helps you doze off faster. And here's a weird one. Take a warm shower before bed. It actually helps your body cool down afterward. Number 3, avoid blue light 1 hour before bed. Blue light from your phone or tablet tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. Harvard research shows it suppresses melatonin, the sleep hormone. So switch your devices to night mode, or better yet, grab a real book instead. Fourth, try the military sleep trick used by the US Army to fall asleep in just 2 minutes. Step 1, relax your face, jaw, and shoulders. Step 2, take slow, deep breaths. Step 3, picture yourself somewhere calm and peaceful. Practice makes perfect with this one. Fifth, try a brain dump journal. A study in the Journal of Experimental Psychology found that writing down your worries before bed helps clear your mind. Spend 5 minutes listing everything on your mind, then close the journal and let your thoughts go. Bonus tip, the 20-minute rule. If you're still awake after 20 minutes, get up and do something boring. No screens. This helps your brain avoid associating your bed with frustration. So, which tip will you try tonight? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing advice. Sweet dreams.